One of the things to get a loan quicker is getting the right document to your mortgage broker. And what I meant by the right document is sometimes when we're asking for one document, but we're actually getting something else. So it taking time back and forth with the client to explaining what exactly inside our document. One of the things I wanted to explain is the tax return. So when your broker asking for your tax return, what it means here is your personal tax return, and if you have a company, your company tax return. So for the personal tax return, you normally have individual tax return and notice of assessment, which is NOA. And for the company tax return, what we are talking about is company tax return and company financial. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is what an individual tax return looks like. A personal tax return or individual tax return looks like. It normally looks like this. You have a Part A and Part B. And if you scroll down, it normally have something wording as individual tax return and what's the year you are getting the tax return done and the year of the financial year. And you have the tax file number and all the detail underneath it. For the purpose of explaining things, I'm blocking all the detail. And if you scroll down, you're likely to get something like an income, how much you're earning for this year, and your deduction, which going down looks like that. And all the way, you scroll down, you have a healthcare, all that sorts of things. This is what the individual tax return looks like. If you go down to the bottom of the page, it might look something like this. This is what I'm going to show you. Income tax return estimation. So what it looks like is this. How much you can estimating to get a tax return, and what you actually get, that will be under NOA, which I'm going to show you what a notice of assessment looks like. This is what the notice of assessment looks like. So that consists of individual tax return and individual notice of assessment. It looks like this, one page. Normally it's a one page or maximum 2 page. That is your individual tax return and notice of assessment. That's what we call personal tax return. And I'm going to show you what the company tax return and company financial looks like. So this is what the company tax return looks like. Normally you will have something called company tax return depending on the template. Will be company name somewhere around here or here. I'm blocking the name just for the privacy issue. Scroll down, you might see something looks like this. You have a year, you have a company tax return on the headline and all the company information. This is what we call company tax return. And if you scroll down, it's all the information about your company, how much you're earning, how much your expense, and what it looks, what all the figures are, all on the right hand side. And another document you will get asked is company financial. What it looks like is here. Company financial. Basically, it looks like, normally you have a content, what's inside the report gonna be like. So this is called company financial. If you go down, it looks something like this. You have something like a trading statement, your income, your order revenue, or your sales, and which year you are reporting in. And you have something like profit and loss summary. That is what we call company financial. So it looks like this. And you have balance sheet inside a company financial, which is this document. All right, I hope you guys understand what your broker asking for.